Name of a mountain in Mexico. Nahuatl pronunciation. Iztaccíhuatl. 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 Stress on the C syllable. Iztaccíhuatl, or English pronunciation. Iztaccíhuatl. Name of a mountain in Mexico. Nahuatl pronunciation. Iztaccíhuatl. 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 Stress on the C syllable. Iztaccíhuatl, or English pronunciation. Iztaccíhuatl. Name of a mountain in Mexico. Nahuatl pronunciation. Iztaccíhuatl. 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 Stress on the C syllable. Iztaccíhuatl, or English pronunciation. Iztaccíhuatl. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.